Welcome back to World Drum Club. I was just teaching a private lesson to one of the students over at patreon.com/Kalani, Charles, and he was asking me about some little ornaments, little ditties that he could throw into his conga playing. So I gave him a few, and as I did, I said, hey, maybe the other people on World Drum Club would like to know about these. And I said, maybe I'll turn it into a lesson, and here it is. It's happening now. Well, it already happened, but you're seeing it now. So here it is. 3 little licks that you can add. I just played them all. You can rewind and watch it and be done. But I'm going to show you what they are. And they're just short little things that you can throw in to a pattern, just basing it off the marcha or the mambo pattern. And here they are. All right, so the first one. I'm going to play the marcha like... That's our basic pattern. So they come around after a couple bars, and it's just like a lead in back to the 1. All right, so these are all happening at the end of the measure, right before the downbeat. Here's the first one. 1, 2, 3, 4. Again. 1, 2, 3, hey. So what is it? It's just putting a little flam. So instead of playing 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 1, 2, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, and. So instead of just playing it plain, like, we're just putting a flam on there. That's it. Again, 1, 2, 3, hey. All right, number 2. Number 2, we're going to add a little more. We're going to take that flam and we're just going to add another note, and we're going to do a little ba-da-ba. Here it is. 1, 2, 3, yo. Okay, so really simple, you guys. Just a little. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, ba, ba, ba. Actually, right, left, right. So dominant hand, lead. 1, 2, 3, 4, ba, ba, ba. Just a little ditty. All right. Number 3, you got that one. Let's go on. Number 3 is a little more technical. And we're going to do what's called a rough. And it's going to be right, left, left, right. So we're going to focus on this figure first. Well, actually, no, I'm going to play it. I'm going to play it, and then we'll focus on it, and then you'll focus on it, and then you'll do it. 1, 2, 3, 4. Messed up the last one, doesn't matter. Here's what it is. So we're gonna look at the little figure, because you heard a little brat, right in there, leading into the 1, like they all do. This one is right, left, left, right, open, hand, finger, open. I mean, you can do it to a slap. And you can start it on the low drum, start it on the high drum, doesn't matter. But I'm going to play it a few more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 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 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4, 2, 3, 4. Listen again. Here's the whole thing. 1, 2, and 3, and 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. blink, you miss it, all right? It's just a little right, left, left, right, open, hand, finger, open, or slap, or however you want to voice it. That's up to you. But that's it. Those are the 1, 2, 3 little fun things that you can drop into your conga playing a groove. And I like these, and I recommend these because they're not really long. They're not anything that's going to, as I said to Charles, it's not anything that's going to make a lead singer turn around and go, what is the conga player doing? You know, it's just a little thing you can add in there once in a while. Like I said, don't overdo it with the ornamentation. You don't want your conga drumming to sound like a Christmas tree. That's it, you guys. So we have the flam, the ba-ba-ba, and the drat. 2, 3, and 4 note ornaments or riffs. All right, enjoy them. Thanks for being here at World Drum Club. Thanks for supporting us. Thanks to all of our patrons, old and new, over at patreon.com/Kalani. If you guys want to get more or do lessons, I'm teaching private lessons. We can do group lessons. If you want any of that stuff, or you just want to get more out of the channel, go see us over there, and we appreciate it. But even if you're here on YouTube for free, good for you. And thanks for dropping by. I'll see you all in another video. Thanks for watching.